Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay and my Changemaker project is called Have You Thanked a Teacher Today? Our teachers are working harder than ever nowadays and they do not need any more mugs, lotion, or frames. What they need are better resources. Resources where they can readily access and use to the benefit their students. What if town libraries honored their teachers in their town by dedicating a space in the library just for them? This could be a space where teachers have access to materials they could borrow, laminators, color printers, or new books. Providing teachers with this kind of space would benefit the whole community and help teachers know they are appreciated. It's no secret that teaching is usually a selfish profession. In the community, many different roles help run the community efficiently. Teachers are the backbone of society. They spend countless hours and their own money on resources for their students. Often they are motivated by the desire to help and inspire their students. But teachers are finding it harder and harder to keep up with these demands. Because of the demands that are placed on teachers by parents, district, and administrators, the rate of teacher burnout is at an all-time high. In a perfect world, schools would be able to decrease class sizes, provide more help in the classroom, and increase teachers' salaries. But by making small changes, schools can help teachers feel appreciated while benefiting the whole community. Our goal is to have a space dedicated to teachers in the town library, and we can do this by examining our budget and then making a proposal, or starting small and grow through fundraisers and donations. Looking at the school and town budget is the first step to making this proposal a reality. Getting an idea of where money is going is going to be crucial to help support the need for curriculum rooms. With school taxes already being high, an increase in taxes is likely not to pass. People of the town may think, why would I put more money into the school? Or these teachers should be getting these resources at school. These are all valid concerns that would have to be addressed when trying to implement this plan. One way to initiate a plan would be to start small. Making a section of books that are themed or that are new for each month and is clearly labeled for teachers would be a good start. These could be books that are first offered to teachers that they have the first dibs on. Once you could establish a space for their teachers, you could gradually grow these resources. So you could have fundraisers to buy different equipment that can be used and borrowed out, or you can ask for donations. Public libraries are valuable resources for teachers, students, and their families in a community. They provide a space dedicated to information and tools that can be readily accessed. Over the last 60 years, the role of libraries has been ever-changing. The role has shifted from a place of knowledge to a place of community, meaning the same information still exists, but the focus now is more on connecting community members with one another. Libraries today have been able to do this by offering various resources and encouraging participation. When you unite a community through the library, you can strive to build stronger, more connected, and more knowledgeable communities. Some benefits of providing a space dedicated to teachers in the library are they provide teachers with quality resources, they give teachers a sense of appreciation, they help unite and connect a community, and they also give access to those who don't normally seek out the library. There's more when you provide a space just for teachers, the teachers are going to then advocate for their town libraries. I believe that teachers are often overworked, stressed, and exhausted, and they deserve to be recognized and valued. Having a permanent space for them in town libraries would help districts appreciate their presence more. It would provide students with diverse texts and help them become lifelong learners. This space would help parents feel more in touch with what their children are doing in school, and give them a glimpse of what teachers are using in their classroom.